lived in Nigeria for the past, like my first 20 years or 19 years of my first 19 to 20 years of my life. I lived in Nigeria, and 7 years to 8 years I lived in Azerbaijan. So I would say those two countries, they are my, how will I say, they are so dear to my heart. So What's today? Today is February 20th. Things are just moving so fast. Life is happening so fast. Like, it's been over 6 months moving back to Nigeria. And it feels like 1 year. Literally. Like, it literally feels like 1 year. I don't know. For me. But anyways, how you guys doing? How is everything? When people in Azerbaijan, how is everything going? I'm enjoying Nigeria so far, not so bad. After all, it's the only passport I have for now. So I'm currently in the midst of like trying to build my career in the medical aspect. I feel like I've been doing all other things for long, and it is time for me to settle down to face this particular role, which is more reason why I'm off YouTube, off every other thing, business wise and everything. But I just do it. There's just one goal I want to achieve this year. If I can achieve that goal, I'll be so happy and I'll move to the next phase. Hopefully I'll be back to YouTube, But for now, I'm trying to build this career. It's so difficult and very important to me. So that's it basically. I've been getting a lot of comments, people saying I look fresh in Nigeria more than in Azerbaijan. Can you see? Can you see any differences? Like, is it obvious? Am I glowing? So that's it. I'll talk to you guys in a bit. It's funny how your life can just change drastically in months. I'm not the dog type. I don't like dogs, but here we are. So let me show you my dog because I forget I'm not sure. Say hello today. I have a dog. Her name is Rocky. She's my roommate for now. We are stuck with each other, Okay, say hello to them. Can you see them? I think the breed is American Eskimo. Yeah. And Rocky is 4 months. I feel like it's time. It's just time. I feel like both countries were in different part of the world, different continents, everything is totally different. Like it's Azerbaijan is different on its own and Nigeria is different on its own. So that's it for this video. Please like, share and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you. Bye.